Hello students, welcome back to the next video. In my previous video we have done lesson number 1 and today I'm going to explain your first poem, that is My Big Fat Cat. Okay, My Big Fat Cat is a poem is all about the attributes of animals. Okay, this poem, the genre of the poem is about animals. यहाँ पे हम सिर्फ animals की बात कर रहे हैं, ठीक है? इसमें cat का description है, वो एक animal है. Okay, so this poem is all about a lazy pet cat and find out what he likes to do. Okay, this is your first poem. Okay, so what you have to do is, who had written this poem? The poet of the poem is Christian Matthew. Okay, now let's just see what this poem is all about. Read this poem about a lazy pet cat and find out what he likes to do. Okay, so here we start. As you can see in the image, it's a very beautiful picture in your page. That is a picture of a very good farmhouse kind of thing. Okay, or you can call it a village, and there is a big fat cat. Okay, and she is enjoying her meal. Okay, now I own a big fat cat. Now the poet is saying, I own, this is my big fat cat. मैंने उसे खरीदा है. The fastest for miles around. The fattest for miles around. The fattest for miles around means that is uh, for miles around is like आस पड़ोस में किसी के पास इतनी fattest cat नहीं होगी जितनी मेरी cat है. Okay, the fattest for miles around. Wherever there's lots of food, मतलब जहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा food होता है, that's where he will be found. So the cat will be found where there is lots of food. Okay, and lots of food is where? In your kitchen, right, students? So next stanza, let's see. He's really good at eating. Now see, when we are talking about animals, तो हम animals के लिए he, she नहीं use करते, it is used. it use होता है animals के लिए. But yes, if your cat, if you are talking about specific cat, your pet cat, then you can use it. Okay, there's apostrophe s is there. He's really good at eating. Okay, so he is here. Okay, he's अपन ने लिखा हुआ है. So we are dedicating this line to the cat. Okay, he's really good at eating. Obviously she's looking so fat, so that's why he must be eating lots of food. It's a talent means what? An ability or a skill of yours, I suppose. Now it's a talent, I suppose. Yes, it's a talent. Now I'm sure if he keeps at it, he would win the talent show. Now the poetess is saying, just continue reading like this, he would win the talent show क्योंकि वो इतना खा रहा है that big fat cat. तो वो but obvious है कि कोई भी competition win कर सकता है. Okay, कोई भी talent show. I own a big fat cat. Again, I own a big fat cat. He weighs at least a ton. Oh my god, that means उसका जो weight है वो टन किलो के बराबर. टन, you understand? तो बहुत ज्यादा. Its weight is ton. Now see, this is a metaphor. It is used. Metaphor. अभी आप लोगों के साथ मेरा एक 1-to-1 नहीं हुआ, नहीं तो मैं आपको figure of speech बताती जरूर से. Okay, जब हम किसी चीज को किसी के से कंपैरिजन करते हैं उसे हम मेटाफर बोलते हैं. क्या बोलते हैं? मेटाफर. ओके, ये फिगर ऑफ स्पीच है. METAPHOR. जब हम किसी के साथ कंपैरिजन करते हैं, ये हमारी राइम स्कीम में आता है. जब हम पोम्स पढ़ते हैं, राइम्स पढ़ते हैं, तो मेटाफर, पर्सोनिफिकेशन, ऐसी चीजें आती हैं जिसे हम फिगर ऑफ स्पीच बोलते हैं. तो ऐसा तो हो नहीं सकता कि वो टन की होगी. सो इट्स जस्ट अ इनडायरेक्ट वे ऑफ सेइंग दैट उसका वेट बहुत ज्यादा है. He couldn't run to save his life. He's so fatty that he couldn't run to save his life. वो अपनी लाइफ को बचा ही नहीं सकते क्योंकि वो इतना मोटा कैट है. Okay, so yes, he isn't much fun. Then he's saying, the poetess is saying that yes, he isn't much fun. मतलब वो ज़्यादा fun कर ही नहीं पाती because that cat is very huge. It's a big fat cat. So his favorite room is the kitchen. As we discussed after the first stanza, I told you if the cat is foodie, then the best place for that cat is kitchen. तो उसका favorite room कौन सा है? Kitchen. I'm sure we all know why. Yes, we all know because the cat is a very foodie. That's why see how foodie is that cat. उसका stomach देखो कितना big है और वो अपना tummy को कैसे अपने हाथ से touch कर रहा है. Okay, so I'm sure we all know why. He eats just about everything. वो सब कुछ खा लेता है, सब कुछ. So that's why with a sigh is what? Long breath let out to show sadness. So that's why with the sigh. Now he eats he eats just about everything. So that's why with the sigh. बहुत अच्छे से वो सब कुछ खा लेता without having any kind of feeling. Okay. A long breath let out to show sadness. Okay. I would like to tell you, teacher. I would. अब जब उसने ये बताया वो सब कुछ खा लेता है तो इसका मतलब क्या था? इसका मतलब now I'm going to tell you. I would like to tell you, teacher. Now he's saying that. Poetess is saying that. I would like to tell you, teacher. I would like to tell you straight. मैं आपको direct बताना चाहती हूँ. I might have accidentally dropped my homework in his plate. तो मुझसे गलती क्या हो गई कि वो सब कुछ खा लेता है, लगभग तो वो सब कुछ खा लेता है, तो जो मेरा होमवर्क था शायद वो भी उसने ही खा लिया. ऐसा करते हैं ना आप लोग. स्टूडेंट्स यूज्ड टू डू लाइक दिस काइंड ऑफ एक्टिविटी. जब होमवर्क नहीं होता तो टीचर को एक्सक्यूज तो देना पड़ता है. तो उसने क्या एक्सक्यूज दिया? दैट वो सब कुछ खा लेता है इसलिए उसने मेरा होमवर्क भी खा लिया. बाय मिस्टेक उसकी प्लेट में मेरी बुक ड्रॉप हो गई, नोटबुक, और उसने मेरा होमवर्क भी खा लिया. तो समझ में आया what was the concept behind this poem? The concept is to tell the teacher मेरी कैट इतनी खतरनाक है कि वो सब कुछ खा जाती है. Okay, so the poem is all about this. Now Christian Matthew began writing poems and short stories at the age of 10 and had written this poem when he was only 15. Okay, now the poet Christian Matthew was only of 10 when he had written this poem. Okay, तो उसने जब ये poem लिखी थी तो he was just only 10 and he was only when he began writing the short stories at the age of 10. like जब उन्होंने लिखना शुरू किया था क्रिश्चियन मैथ्यू ने, so वो कितने साल के थे? सिर्फ 10 साल के थे. written this poem at the age of 15. 15 साल की उम्र में उन्होंने लिखा था. So he's always include playing the piano, the guitar, the reading books. He loved math, science, music, and writing poems. Okay, so this poem was all about a big fat cat, and there is a link between that big fat cat and that kid who was telling to the teacher directly and straight that I have done my homework, but that cat had eaten my homework. Because my notebook accidentally fall on his plate and he had eaten my homework notebook also. So got it? So this is the poem about the big fat cat. So now we have completed this poem. This is your first poem. Okay. And now fill in the blanks is there and the exercises are there. Those are very small exercises, okay, that you have to do it. Fill in the blanks. You don't have to do it on your notebook. It's okay. You can do it on your book. The poet owns a big fat cat. The cat is found where there's a lots of food. The cat's talent is that cat can eat anything. Okay, the poet says that his weight a ton. His weight a ton. Okay, the dash is the cat's favorite room in the house, kitchen. The poet dropped his dash in the cat's bed. Homework notebook. Okay, answer these questions. What is a cat really good at? Cat really good at eating the food. Why does the poet say that cat might win talent show? Because the cat has the ability to eat everything. Okay, that cat can eat all of the stuff. Why is the cat not much fun? Because the cat is always so busy in eating and then he starts sleeping because he's so tired of eating. So he starts sleeping and his weight is so his way is like about a ton, so it's not much fun. What's the poet homework? Poet homework is in cat's tummy, okay? Because cat might have eaten his homework. Is this is the poet telling the truth about his homework? Why do you think so? See, this is this because he might not have done his homework. This is a perspective answer again. Okay, that depends. ये बच्चों का answer होगा. Okay, आपका thought process, आपका answer. Now, appreciating the poem, there is again rhyming words, words that have same or similar ending sounds around found, suppose shows, stun fun, why shy, straight plate. Okay, let's see the next page. Now see, add rhyming words to each row. The first one has been done for you. This is your homework. This you have to do it by yourself. Cat, mat, sat. होता है ना? होता है? You understand? Moon, soon. Moon, spoon. Yes. So this is you have to do it. This is the same rhyming word scheme. You have to do that. That is your homework. Okay. Now fun time. Now this complete the poem using the rhyming words from the box. Most living things are around. Wherever living things are. Wherever living things are means teeth, stew, treat, chips found, broccoli goats. क्या होगा? What would be the correct answer? Living things are found on land or sea that swims beneath. Most of them have got their what? Teeth. Okay. Human need their teeth for what? Teeth for what? Treats. Cause you and I love our sweets. We chew our candy, gum and what? Okay, do this. This is very easy. This is a rhyming scheme. Okay, खुद से करेंगे and you have to check. You have to cross check with the PDF that I will be going to send after this video. Okay. So complete this poem. I have explained you the poem about the big fat cat, how she loves to eat, and accidentally what happens. The homework fell in front of into his plate, and he ate the homework also. Okay, so we will meet in the next video. That is the explanation of lesson number 2. Till the time, stay tuned for more videos. Do like, share, and subscribe our channel. Thank you, students. Bye bye.